Hello and welcome to my game called Escape the Forest. And in Escape the Forest, the entire game kind of revolves around the clearing in which you can head north, east, west, and south. And the way the main game works is that in order to escape, you must go through this fence that has a door with a key lock. So you have to get the key. The only way to get the key is to head east into a cave. Um, you can try to descend without a flashlight and you'll just break your legs. But we're gonna have to uh, get the flashlight and stuff like that. I think I could just kind of do a playthrough to showcase that. But basically, you can see that heading west has its implications. Heading east has its implications. And overall, the place through would look something like this. You're in a clearing in the middle of the forest. Let's go ahead and head south. You find a large treehouse, so let's climb it. Let's investigate the chair. It's a wooden chair. Investigate harder. It's still a wooden chair. There has to be something in the chair. There really isn't anything in the chair. And now let's head back. Okay, let's head west. Wait, actually, head back. We didn't actually investigate the sleeping bag. You unravel a sleeping bag only to find a bunch of cat hair contained within. You now have a lot of cat hair on your pants. I wonder what that's for. Climb up the treehouse again. Investigate the desk. You find a flashlight with no batteries inside. Head east. You find a cave. Right, descend. Anyways, I don't have batteries. Let's try to look for these batteries. Head north. This is a fence. I need the keys. No, that's not it. Head west. Beautiful lake that shimmers in the moonlight. Investigate the large stones near the lake. You find a small fanny pack hidden underneath a large mossy flat stone. Open the fanny pack. You find a pack of batteries. This might come in handy for electrical appliances. Put the batteries in the flashlight. You put the batteries in the flashlight. Head not north. Head east. Now we are able to shine our flashlight. You shine your flashlight. The cave has a steep drop, but somebody has fastened some ropes. Descend with the ropes. You descend to the bottom of the cave. There's a corpse of a person. He seems to have a keychain. Grab his keychain. You grab the keychain. Head back. Head north. Large fence. Use the key and open the door. The door opens. You immediately see a path that leads you outside the forest. Keep walking. As you walk down the path, the lush vegetation of the forest begins to dissipate, and you notice yourself walking towards civilization again. You have escaped the forest. In terms of how the coding works, we have the set functions. We also have a check to see if flashlight working is true. Really interesting is when you put the batteries into the flashlight, we use this macro over here in which you put the batteries in the flashlight. There are two outcomes in which you call this macro, which is finding the flashlight when you already have the batteries, or finding the batteries when you already have the flashlight. So they both work. The order doesn't matter. So that's some quality of life. So yeah, overall, find the flashlight, find the batteries, go to the cave, get the keys, and then escape through the fence. And that is the game, my Twine game, The Forest, or Escape the Forest.